Second Quarter Science Exam, Part 2. The map below shows some of the major tectonic plates on Earth. What process is forming high, non-volcanic mountains at location 1 on the map? A. One tectonic plate is splitting apart into two plates. B. Two tectonic plates are colliding and pushing together. C. One tectonic plate is sliding past another tectonic plate. D. Two tectonic plates are colliding and one is sliding under the other. Number 19. A line of volcanoes occurs along the western coast of South America near location 4. Based on the information about plate movement on the map, which process explains the formation of these volcanoes? A. Subducting of one plate under the other plate, causing melting of the lower plate. B. Sliding of one plate sideways past another plate, resulting in friction and melting. C. Melting of crust because of plate movement over a hot spot. D. Rifting of a plate with lava filling in the resulting valley. Number 20. In your answer document, draw a convection current like the one above. Label each of the 4 events. Convection current and mantle. The descriptions are movement of less dense material, cooling of warmer material, heating of cooler material, movement of denser material. Number 21. A geologist is investigating the history of an area that has experienced various geologic events, including sedimentation, erosion, tectonic deformation, and volcanic eruptions. The diagram shows the cross-section produced from her study. Using the cross-section, explain how the geologist knows the relative age of the intrusion compared with that of the gravel. Then, explain how the geologist knows that the flow is older than the intrusion. Number 22. The table describes several methods scientists can use to date rock layers and fossils. You have the dating method on the left and the description of the method on the right. A geologist wants to date several samples. Descriptions are provided for each sample. Because samples can be expensive and time-consuming, The geologist only wants to use the dating methods that are likely to produce a reliable date. Select the boxes to show all methods that can be used to date each sample. In your answer document, select 2 of the samples above. Do the following for each of the 2 samples you choose. First, identify the best dating method used to find the sample's age. Second, explain why that method is the best way to determine the sample's age. The 4 different samples are a deeply buried sample of limestone, a piece of wood from a Native American cliff dwelling, a shallowly buried sample of shale that contains oyster and snail fossils, a dinosaur bone found in the sandstone layer that sits between 2 layers of basalt.